Well, today is going to be the install of 670 watts of solar on this travel trailer's roof. Got just enough room here for a 335 watt panel. Just going to remove that antenna. And I got just enough room on the back here if I remove that antenna, because they're both useless to me. And then we install the lithium batteries in the inverter inside and put an AC unit in. Alright, we're mostly done the panel install in the trailer. Got a bunch of waterproofing that I did with this stuff here. This stuff's amazing. Can't remember the brand of it. It says right in there. Maybe that's the brand right there. This stuff's awesome. And I'm going to take a piece of this stuff, stick it on there over top of the silicone, and I'm going to put a piece around this thing, just waterproofing the roof because it's getting old. Did a strip of waterproofing on the back here as well. And yeah, 670 watts. Then it's next to cut a hole in the side and install the AC. So now we're in the trailer. And I'm putting the AC unit here, and I'm putting the batteries down below. I'm just removing the shelf, or this drawer I mean. And I got my solar coming down here. My charge controller will probably be mounted to this door, because this door will be open while using it. I'll have an on and off for the entire system. And then I have to cut a vent hole for the AC going out. The inverter, I'm unsure exactly where I'm going to put the inverter right now, but we'll figure that out soon. Alright, so we emptied that out. Got the BMS board inside. I got the reliable and the Chevy Volt battery ×2 12S with this little crappy charge controller that's going to do the job for now. We got a bunch of, my one panel is covered by shade already, unfortunately. The AC unit's going up here, and then I punch a hole in the wall there. I got an extension cord that's actually running everything in this trailer right now. And I can use the app on my phone. I'll have to get my other camera. I'm filming with my phone, but this is the Bluetooth for the BMS, which is right there. And I can see incoming watts, outgoing watts. I can see the cell voltage. I can see when it's balancing. It's an awesome BMS. Now I'm finally able to use the Chevy Volt battery. This is a 48 volt, 3000 watt reliable. This one I bought off somebody used. Yeah. It's only been running for about, I don't know, an hour. So, hopefully it's a good one like the rest of mine. We'll find out. Actually, this is one of the ones I repaired on video, actually. I bought it back from the guy. He upgraded to a MagnaSign inverter. And I bought this off of him. Anyways, thanks for watching. Alright, now we got the system running the AC unit I'm going to be using. And it's an 8000 BTU LG. Just going to put the hose going out the wall, essentially, and I'll have an AC unit. Well, until next time. Alright, so we just cut out the hole. My trailer is made up of styrofoam, pretty much, only. Tiny bit of plywood, like holy smokes. Like an 1/8 thick, 3/16 maybe. And then, got some fiberglass outer coating. Got some caulking, or some gasket maker I mean, around where the seats, and then we're going to screw this to the side of the trailer. So I had to take the shelf out and raise it because the height of this needs to be exactly the same as the height that this was coming out, and I was slightly off, and this was kind of doing this and making it so I didn't have enough room. I also have to shorten this by about this much. Here we go. That's it, guys. Look at that installation. Freaking awesome. I don't feel any warm air coming from the exhaust. I believe I got it hooked up all good. We're pulling 840 watts. We only have 40 watts coming in. We had 400 watts earlier. So this is not like something you can run all the time. You gotta set it so it turns on and off. Right now we're sitting at 83. I got it set to 75. I'm gonna let this run for a bit. I don't want it to run too long, obviously, because I want to be able to use it tomorrow. Might have somebody coming over and staying in it. Anyways, love it. It's working great. Super happy with it so far. I'll let you guys know how it works. The next clip you'll see, I'm gonna get my other camera and show you the app for this BMS. Well guys, we've been running for about a little over an hour. It's our bed. Just gotta get rid of that mattress. That's for the pop out there. We're not gonna be using that. It also has a pop out on that side. Look at that. Good. Anyways, we're doing good. We're at 79. It's quite hot actually. This thing actually takes quite a bit of power too. 920 watts. Just sucking the energy. We're at 46.3 volts on the input. All my cabling is fine. Nothing's warm. We got a little bit of power coming in, not much. I'm going to show you the outside. So I got one of my temperature probes going into the battery, and the other temperature probe is going into the inverter. So I get an idea how hot everything is. Then outside here, just the trailer. The original vent. This is the vent I added. It really shoots out of here. Almost could have used a bigger vent, but it seems to be working good. Give you one more peek of the final product on the roof. Push that down a little bit. Got this stuff, repairs your roof. There's where I put the hole. The solar's going down in. I caulked around it and put that on top. The two very large solar panels for a trailer this size is a super overkill, but that's why we are able to run an AC unit. And these suckers are expensive. So, anyways, thanks for watching.